Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ride and Review. Today we will talk about the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle makes a grand return, blending its classic heritage with modern technology and electric power. This iconic car, known for its unmistakable shape and rich history, is now reimagined for the future, catering to both nostalgic fans and new generation drivers. With a sleeker, more aerodynamic design, the new Beetle retains its signature round profile while incorporating sharper lines, LED lighting, and futuristic styling cues. The compact dimensions remain, ensuring it maintains its easy maneuverability while offering a refreshed, contemporary look that stands out on the road. Available in a range of vibrant colors, including classic pastels and modern metallic shades, the Beetle stays true to its fun and youthful spirit. Under the hood, the 2025 Beetle has transitioned to an all-electric platform, marking a significant step towards Volkswagen's commitment to sustainability. Equipped with a powerful electric motor, it delivers instant torque and a smooth, silent ride. With an estimated range of up to 250 miles per charge, the new Beetle is well suited for both city commuting and longer road trips. Fast charging capabilities allow for an 80% charge in just 30 minutes, making it practical for those on the go. This new powertrain not only reduces carbon emissions but also enhances performance, offering quick acceleration and improved efficiency compared to its gasoline-powered predecessors. Inside, the 2025 Beetle combines retro charm with cutting-edge technology. The iconic curved dashboard now houses a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving information, while the minimalist design creates a clean and modern aesthetic. The cabin is more spacious than ever, thanks to the electric platform allowing for better space utilization. Premium materials, customizable ambient lighting, and ergonomic seats enhance comfort, making every drive enjoyable. The panoramic sunroof option adds an open-air feel, perfect for those who love to cruise with a sense of freedom. Safety remains a top priority for Volkswagen, and the 2025 Beetle is equipped with a full suite of advanced driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring work together to ensure a secure and confident driving experience. Parking sensors and a 360-degree camera make maneuvering effortless, even in tight city spaces. The sturdy construction and advanced airbag system further enhance passenger protection, making the Beetle a safe choice for daily driving. The return of the Beetle is a tribute to its storied past. Originally launched in 1938, the Beetle became a symbol of affordability, reliability, and personality. Over the decades, it evolved into a cultural icon, beloved by generations around the world. With this new electric model, Volkswagen aims to preserve the Beetle's charm while aligning with modern sustainability goals. This revival is more than just a car, it's a statement of how timeless design and innovative technology can coexist. Volkswagen has positioned the 2025 Beetle as an affordable yet stylish electric vehicle, appealing to both classic car enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers. With a competitive price point within the compact EV market, it offers an excellent alternative to other electric city cars. Initially launching in select markets, availability is expected to expand based on demand, ensuring that fans worldwide can experience the joy of driving this legendary car once again. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is a perfect blend of nostalgia and progress. It retains everything people have loved about the original while embracing the future with an electric powertrain and modern features. As the automotive industry shifts towards sustainable solutions, the Beetle proves that going green doesn't mean sacrificing personality or driving enjoyment. This car is more than just transportation, it's an experience, a connection to history, and a vision of the future. Whether you're a long-time fan or new to the Beetle family, this model is set to capture hearts all over again.